That comes up.
Minister. How are you?
Sorry.
The Minister of Health, Professor Isaac Adewole, and his entourage on arrival at the Igbinedion University, Okada, were received by the Vice Chancellor, Professor Lawrence Ezemonye, members of the Governing Council and management of the institution. Welcoming the Minister to the institution, who was the guest lecturer at the maiden Distinguished Guest Lecture series on patient safety in Nigeria, Professor Ezemonye told the Minister that the lecture is part of activities marking the 20th anniversary of the university established in 1999. Professor Ezemonye acquainted the Minister on some of the health programs in the institution, which he said are to promote the health sector of the country.
We were invited into a program, that's certainly a one-work program. A program that is also the information we have is true. That we are championing prevention and control of cancer and disorder. We already know you as a blue sky researcher, an administrator both in the academia and the health sector. And as we administer the health sector of Nigeria as the Honorable Minister, we know of another landmark event which you pursued through your advocacy. We hear that today Nigeria has a patient bill of rights, all by your efforts.
Responding, the Minister of Health, Professor Isaac Adewole, commended the Igbinedion University, Okada, for its promotion and advocacy of qualitative health care delivery in the country. He said the Ivory Tower has set the pace in patient health safety in Nigeria and endorsed the university to establish the proposed Institute for Patient Safety.
I consider myself to be a member of the Igbinedion family. So everything from him, I will do it without thinking twice. Play the lead role here is something that is commendable. I will support you, body, soul, and spirit. And I think the partnership has to continue. But for this institution, please continue to blaze the trail. We will support you. I want to round up by congratulating you on your appointment. And I've received good reports about what you are doing.
In keeping with the tradition of the university, Professor Ezemonye made a presentation to the Minister.
Presentation to the Honorable Minister.
Speaking on the Minister's visit to Igbinedion University, Okada, Edo State Commissioner for Health, Dr. David Osifo, a former Pro-Chancellor and Chairman Governing Council, Professor Oluwaina, and a member of the Governing Council, Lady Celerina Ojomo, and other guests, described the visit as historic.
The visit is well accepted and we are happy that he's come all the way from Abuja to give this lecture on patient safety. Of course, in health sector, this is one of the major challenges we are having, patient safety. Many people are very negligent, doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and so on. So that this issue is coming up now, and the lecture being delivered by Minister of Health, we are very happy and we are confident that it will go a long way for us to develop policies to curb this menace in our health sector.
Well, Igbinedion University, they are built on what I left. I was Pro-Chancellor for 10 years of this great university, and we laid a solid foundation. He has even gone beyond our expectation. I'm proud of him.
This is epoch-making. He's been here before, but today's is different. He's giving us all the encouragement we need for patient safety in Nigeria, and we thank him. We thank the university management particularly for this.
Well, it's always delightful to have the Honorable Minister of Health come visit, especially that one knows that he's a very exceptional minister who has done so well. He first distinguished himself as the Vice Chancellor of the University of Ibadan and then now as Minister. Secondly, he gave a lecture of patient safety. And we do know that patients are the king of a hospital. Take away patient from a hospital, it could as well be a playground. So I appreciate his lecture, and I think that moving forward, we need to take more about the safety of patients when they come to a hospital.
By then you introduce guest lectures, it makes the various faculties and colleges to grow. So it's a man with ideas who wants the university to grow. Fantastic. And in any case, the minister himself, you heard what he said, that we were co-activists. The minister has been there. You can see the way he delivered the lecture. Patient safety is the honorable minister of the health in this country. So he said it all.
Earlier, on arrival at the Benin airport, the minister was received by a delegation of management of Igbinedion University, Okada, led by the Deputy Vice Chancellor, Professor Deborah Ogbeifun, and management of UBTH and other health institutions in Edo State. Deborah Ogbeifun reporting.